Labs. Domain knowledge of labs. Labs. Labs are utilities that can be used by doctors during encounters. Labs refer to the tests which help doctors by providing accurate information about the human body which cannot be analyzed otherwise. Labs can be used in both consultative and non-consultative encounters. Prerequisites for labs. Go to EMR from the navbar and select Encounters from the doctor account. You can also directly click on Encounters from the dashboard of the doctor account. Go to the Queued tab. The Encounters screen will appear. Click on the Start Encounter option available in the Actions column. A new encounter will start. From the rightmost navigation bar, select Diagnostics. The Medic will take you to the Diagnostics segment. From the left navigation bar, select Labs. The Medic will take you to the Labs segment. How to add labs. Go to the Labs section as described in the Prerequisites section. Now to add labs, click the Add button. The Medic will create a new row. The doctors need to write the name of the lab that they want to add to encounters. As they start writing, the Medic will start giving them suggestions. After selecting the lab, the doctor can write instructions. Press the Done button. The Medic will add the labs to the encounter. Available field entails that if the lab which is added by the doctor is available in the facility location. How to edit labs. Go to the Lab section as described in the Prerequisites section. Now to edit the lab, select the Edit button. This will make the lab row editable. Edit the relevant field. After editing instructions, press the Save button present at the end of the row. The Medic will edit the lab row. How to delete labs. Go to the Lab section as described in the Prerequisites section. Now to delete the lab, select the Remove button. The lab will be deleted. How to add labs from the Past tab. Go to the Lab section as described in the Prerequisites section. Go to the Past tab from the section's navigation bar. The Past tab only shows labs that were added by the doctor to the same patient in his or past encounters. Now to add past lab to the current encounter, press the Add from the Past button, present at the end of each row. How to add labs from the doctor's favorite tab. Go to the Lab section as described in the Prerequisites section. Go to the Favorite tab from the section's navigation bar. The Favorite tab displays favorites that are added via the doctor's favorite lab earlier. Now, to add the doctor's favorite, press the Add button available at the end of the row. Pressing the Add button will add the lab present in the doctor's favorite to the current tab. How to add labs as doctor favorite via encounter screen. Go to the Lab section as described in the Prerequisites section. Now to add labs as the doctor's favorite, click on the checkbox. The checkbox in the header will select all the labs which can be added as the doctor's favorite. To select an individual lab, select the checkbox available at the start of each row before the lab's name. After selecting labs, select the Add to Favorites button. A new dialog box will appear. Enter the name of the doctor's favorite, which will be displayed under the Favorite tab. Press the Save button. A pop-up will display at the bottom right for successful addition. Go to the Favorites tab to view the recently added doctor's favorite. How to add labs from the Clinic Favorite tab. Go to the Lab section as described in the Prerequisites section. Now to add a lab from the Clinic Favorite tab, click on the Clinic Favorite tab. Clicking the Clinic Favorite tab will open a screen from the right, partially overlaying the current screen and displaying the clinic's favorite labs. It will only show the labs that were added by the admin manager to the clinic's favorites. Now, to add the clinic's favorite, press the Add icon button available at the end of the row. A pop-up will display at the bottom right for successful addition. The lab from the clinic's favorite tab will be added to the current encounter. Constraints. General constraints. Only doctors can add, edit and delete the labs. Medical staff can end encounters without adding labs. Labs that are not part of the facility location can also be added to the non-consultative encounter. Only the instruction field can be edited while editing the labs. Two labs cannot be edited simultaneously. The Past tab only shows labs that were added by the doctor to the same patient in his or past encounters. Add to Favorites button can only be called after selecting at least one lab. Favorites tab only shows entries that were earlier added as doctor's favorite. Labs that are already added to the encounter cannot be re-added.